Hello, and welcome to dBox for Repacorp. Now that you have your login credentials, visit the website listed below. Once you've signed into your account, you will see your personalized dashboard. Customer dashboards will vary depending upon clearance level. If you'd like to look at your sales orders, you can click the box on your dashboard on the upper right, or you can go to the Home menu at the top left of your screen. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Transactions. Here you can view sales orders, shipments, and invoices. To look at a latest shipment of a product, click the tab, and this will bring up the shipment page, where you can view your order, how we shipped it, and click a link for up-to-date shipping information. If you would like to review Repacorp's current inventory, click Sales Orders in the drop-down menu under Transactions. In the Sales Order page, you'll have access to your own customer inventory, as well as Repacorp's stock inventory. You can add or remove columns by clicking on the three purple columns in the menu to the top left and select or deselect the ones you wish to see. To search specific items in Repacorp's stock inventory, go to the Catalog Inventory. Click on the empty cells underneath the columns you wish to search. For instance, under Item Description, you may choose Thermal Transfer Materials with the length of 6 inches and a width of 4 inches, and a core size of 1 inch. Click Enter, and this will bring up all of our products that fit those specifications. You can also view the full item description by hovering your cursor over the item description cell. You can also search for a product by its item number by clicking the empty cell in the column directly under item number. If you have any questions or difficulty navigating the system, please reach out to your customer service representative for help.